Yeah, he ran.
They ran her off.
He ran in that red car.
Yeah. Run a red light probably. Them motherfuckers, both of them ran. I know one was black. The passenger was a black guy. I don't know who driver.
They go up the hill or drive around?
That way.
They ran that way. Every time I hear that noise around here, I knew something was going to happen. That's a bad place to have a store. You heard me. We got she stopped before she got through the window.
Man, he hit her.
We got kids in the car.
He hit her. She went that way. She hit the fucking wall.
He tried to run a red light, looks like.
She hit. She was making a turn.
Everybody out there, both motherfuckers.
She was making a turn. She's making a turn.
I seen the passenger get out and run.
Dude ran down the street. Both of them. Oh yeah, you got hit. Oh well, you would have seen it. Hopefully, you would have been turning around.
You hear him? You hear somebody going?
That's over there. Over there. That's him over there.
Everybody that was over there seen that. And they seen
No, they didn't.
That got out of that car.
Oh.
And the driver of this truck seen who got
Man,
out
I'm
of
the
that
only one standing right here. And I look right there.
No, I'm talking about
and
the
that
other
car
people
said,
that
bam! It hit that other car right there, that right here. She was going a little slow, but she hit that curb and said boom, boom, and hit the wall.
She was trying to stop.
She couldn't stop. She hit the wall. It bounced back. The car bounced back. She knocked the pole down, and that other thing. She knocked two things
I've
down.
asked her how old her pug is. You got a pug over there.
Yeah.
Dude jumped out that motherfucking car and he broke.
He ran?
Yeah.
Both people that were in the red car ran.
I ain't see two. I seen one.
I seen a shadow of one run, and then I seen the passenger get out and run from the other side.
I saw two ran.
Two people ran from that car.
I seen one with a white shirt.
I seen a black dude.
With the white shirt on.
But there was another dude with a darker shirt on.
I don't know. I didn't see that.
I seen him. That's the only person I seen when I came out. I know they're shaking up. I hope they're okay though.
Is people supposed to be taking that?
Yeah, if they want it.
Yeah, they can take anything on there. Except you.
I'm going back over there. Going back to the park,
Alright.
Yeah, man, if you that's lucky that you wouldn't know, because she hit that wall, the whole car bounced back. They don't have to need that fixed, because she hit that hard.
They're hiding over there somewhere. They went through this alley.
Man, they gone. They ain't hiding.
But
shit.
You know what I'm saying.
Yeah, they ran. They ain't not going to be standing around there looking and trying to. Yeah, they didn't
jump down through this alley.
They didn't went out there. They went straight that way. Probably cut way over there somewhere. Them dudes is gone.
They got a good description.
But whoever called it, that is, their ass is done.
Well,
they gonna tell who was driving that car. And that's how people are. She's hurt, or he's hurt. Somebody.
You think we were kidding? No.
What?
When she seen all them people coming downstairs.
It's about 10, 15 people coming out. They coming out his house too.
And you know what?
Hey, Guarantee, I tell you what we tell you, somebody else standing up there.
Different people.
Not just him. Somebody else. Stay up in this apartment.
I don't know these two people.
Somebody's
over here.
needing help.
Yeah. Probably got whiplash with that too.
Is there kids in the car?
That's what I'm thinking.
Yeah, it got to be.
Passenger.
They got all the doors open.
Passenger.
If you got your bus sign, you told me where to stand at.
Yeah, they threw that up.
Just tell them, I'll fix it. I'll go over there.
Was there kids in there?
Huh?
Was there
Was there
kids?
in there?
Yeah, they're kids, I mean, not young kids, but the kids in the back. They said that the people got out of the car was run down the street with guns.
We seen
With
them.
guns?
Yeah.
That's why they ran. They're armed. That's all right, cause them ladies got the driver and stuff got a good description.
Yeah. But
You know they did.
They did, and one dude followed them in a Chevy Impala.
Oh, somebody just followed them.
Yeah, they did a U-turn right there in the street, so they took off.
So they're being followed. They know where they on the phone right now with the police letting them know.
Hey, that's
They're gonna get them.
yeah. I took that.
That was bullshit.
I don't even
Nobody
got
ever
it
gotta
on
go
live.
through this,
I
man.
should have it on live. I gotta put it on live.
I just heard gunshots.
I did too. Probably shooting at the car. Come on, you can slow down, lady, anytime.
She ain't going
She
nowhere.
wasn't worried about it. She wasn't worried about
Yeah,
it.
she can't go nowhere anyway. She gotta go the other way. They finna block the. They
I
got the
would've
whole.
just turned, slow down, turn already like other people are doing.
Would you believe they called them? They called them.
This been going on for at least almost 8 minutes.
Yeah, we're getting ready to come back in. Why am?
Yeah, we going live.
You do that. Man, this is
Man, I was.
I heard the first one. I did the second one. I thought it was right. Yeah. Oh, you are. Good thing you waited. Yeah, that's it. He can get ready to go over there. Oh man, yeah.
Yeah, his ass been done. She's most definitely would have hit him.
Mister. Yo.
Yo, yo.
Yo.
Sorry about that.
What you doing, boy?
Uh-huh.
You're just fatter.
Does he? His name is what?
What the fuck is he waving at?
This one's Yo-Yo. Uh-huh. He just turned 6 months old on the 5th. So yesterday. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah. I'm with you. Yeah.
Man, they must get.
We're gonna hold on to him while you guys bring out those other boxes. So it won't be in our way.
It was something stuck in there or something. Stuck on her, stuck by her or something. He's saying turn around. There's spectators everywhere.